My name is Igor. I'm director of letting agency.
Oh, amazing, cool. So, what made you get into property?
So basically, to find more investors, I really like to communicate with the people. I want to come as a mentor in the future as well, and it's give me a deal rent to rent in the last month. Was just make me another £30,000 profit.
Amazing. Tell me how the week's been. How have you enjoyed yourself?
Absolutely, I enjoy myself. Met a lot of people what want to deal with me, so it's a really successful week for me.
Okay, and in terms of what have you learned? Do you feel like you're going away richer?
Yes, definitely, 100%. Because let's say we in the process of selling two deals to current investor from academy. So if everything go through, I will get 5,000 richer by this week.
That's amazing. That was all done on the course, on this crash course, on this course.
Yes,
Nice one. And tell me about Samuel. Tell me about the team. How have you found working with them?
team is brilliant. We're providing a lot of information what is necessary for people what is just join academy. I mean, let's say I'm in the business almost 11 years. I understand always, but I found few things and ticks what is I'm going to use it for my letting agency.
Amazing. And final question: what would you say to anyone who's thinking about getting into property?
Just to get a financial freedom, just need to join academy because it is give you successful key to be free.